a river in the theater, and they are trying to find how wide the river is, but they're not allowed to measure the river because the river is really dangerous in winter. So instead, we have some strings, and they have to measure the angle and use trig ratios to find the opposite side length, which represents the width of the river, from a safe distance on the shore. It's the first time I've done this one. I think some teachers last year tried to do this. I think it's going good. I think they're doing all right. So we're about to measure the actual width to find out how close these students were.
Okay, are we ready? We have a yardstick. Everything's measured in yards. Okay, how long is that? That's 1 yard, okay. Okay, now we've got another one. Where are we at? 4. Almost 4. We've hit the edge. Somebody come read this for me. I need a strong swimmer. Okay, the actual width of the river is 3 yards and 33.5 inches. Let's put that in decimals when we get back to class.